Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn another concept from the chapter exponents, that is expanded form of small numbers using negative exponents. In the previous class we had already learned about writing expanded form. For example, here I have taken a number 23224. These examples I have taken from the textbook only. You may refer there. 2324. If I am asked to write the standard form, expanded form, I have to write it like this. First of all, I take first digit, that is the digit which is in ones, tens, hundred, thousands place. So 2 into, I'll write its position, 2 into 1000 plus, after this 3 into, 3 is in hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds, so 3 into 100 plus 2 is in tens place, so 2 into 10 plus 4 is in ones place, so 4 is in ones place, we don't have to write 10 here, or you can write 10 power 0 as we learned in the previous class. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So now here I will write 2 into 1000 can be written as 10 power 3, 10 into 10 100, 100 into 10 1000, 10 क्यूब का मतलब 10 into 10 into 10, 10 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 1000 आएगा, प्लस 3 into 100 is 10 square, 10 into 10 100, plus 2 into 10 power 1 because only 1 10, and it is 4 into 10 power 0. So this is how we write any number in that expanded form by using just exponents. But in certain cases we come across such numbers where we have to use negative exponents. Here all these exponents are positive exponents, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0. But in certain cases we come across negative exponents. How? Let us see. Take this example number 2. In this example it is 2.324. Number is same, decimal point is just replaced. So 2.324, it is not equal to 2324. This is 2324 and this is 2.324. It is very, very small number compared to this number. So that's the reason here the heading is expanded form of small numbers using negative exponents, small numbers. Okay, so 2.324. How do we write the decimal expanded form to this number? First we take 2 into, this is, or let me explain like this. First of all, we'll write the number in the place value chart. We have one digit here, 2. These are the decimal places, decimal digits. So decimal digits will be written here, 3, 2, and this is 4, and this is 2. So here we have decimal point. So 2, this 2 is in ones place. Like we start writing from the from right to left. So 2, just like here, starting from this number, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Same way, ones. यहाँ पे एक और नंबर होता तो हम लिख सकते ones, tens कह सकते थे, but there is no other digit. So this is in ones place. This is in ones place. Now what about these digits? This is different section. Okay, so decimal point के बाद जितने भी digits होते हैं उनके places अलग होते हैं. ये 3 जो है वंस प्लेस में नहीं है, इट इज इन 10th प्लेस, 1/10, हम इसको कहते हैं 1/10. वी राइट इट लाइक दिस, 10 TENTH. यहाँ पे 10th प्लेस होता उसको हम सिर्फ टेंस लिखते हैं. दिस इज ओनली टेंस एंड दिस इज टेंस. डिफरेंस है ना, दिस इज 10th प्लेस एंड दिस इज 100th. आई राइट हियर, दिस इज 100th प्लेस and this is 1000th. Okay, so ones place, 10th place का जो place value रहता है that is different, and here 10th place value is different. If it is some other digit here into 10 का 10 power 0 या 10 power 1 लिखते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ अलग है. Now let me write the answer. 2 into, what is the place of this digit? 10 power, it is in ones place, so I'll write 0, 10 power 0. यहाँ पर भी हमने ones place digit के लिए 10 power 0 लिखा है. So same 2 into 10 power 0 plus अब इन डिजिट्स के लिए, ये तो एक ही डिजिट था, ये हो गया। अब इन डिजिट्स के लिए 3 कौन से प्लेस में है? 10th प्लेस में। 10th प्लेस को हम लिखते हैं 1/10। डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद जो डिजिट्स होते हैं उनको हम अपॉन में लिख देते हैं, उनको अपॉन में लिख देते हैं 1/10 प्लस 2 इंटू 2 इज इन 100th प्लेस, 2 इज इन 100th प्लेस, सो 1/100 प्लस 4 into 1 upon, this is in thousands place, 1/1000. So therefore 2 into 10 power 0 plus this is 3 into, जैसे कि हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में लर्न किया था, हियर पावर इज 1। डिनोमिनेटर में से नंबर जब ऊपर आ जाता है उसका पावर पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। सो इट इज denominator when comes upside, it is 10 power minus 1 plus 2 into, it is 10 square, let me write first 10 square plus 4 into 1/10 cube, इसके आगे 2 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 2 into, अब ये 10 power 2 ऊपर आ जाएगा और पावर 2 जो होता है पॉजिटिव 2 वो -2 हो जाएगा, -2 प्लस 4 into 10 power -3. So this is the expanded form of 2.324. Is it clear now? So here we have written 2.324 and its expanded form using negative exponents. यहाँ पर जो exponents values जो लिखे हुए दिख रहे हैं, they are all negative values. Now let me give you one example. After I write this example, while you are watching this video, pause the video and solve the sum that I am going to give, and then after you solve it, verify your answer. Solve this question, that is 315.032. Write this number in the expanded form. Write this number in the expanded form. Okay, you pause this video and then solve this and then verify your answer. So here I have written the answer, children. After you, I hope you have solved the question, and now you verify your answer. 315.032, 3 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 5 plus 0 into 1/10 plus 3 into 1/100 plus 2 into 1/1000. Then 315.032 is equal to 3 into 10 square plus 1 into 10 power 1 plus 5 into 10 power 0 plus 0 into 10 power minus 1 plus 3 into 10 power minus 2 and last 2 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the answer. If you have got the correct answer, well, and you can solve the questions given in the exercise. If not, you did not get the answer properly, then watch this video again and do the needful. Okay, in the next video I will be explaining about the standard form of a exponential number. Okay, thank you.